Hey, what's up everyone? I want to talk real quick about how to work a wood stove. Now, as you can see, the airflow in here is really low. I've got it set. This would be considered high. And I've got it set down to probably a third of what it normally can take as far as airflow going in. In addition to that, I have the damper back here set about halfway, so it's about a 45-degree angle in the stovepipe going up. So what that does is that makes the airflow through the front of here really, about half through there, and then this is cut down to about a third. And what that'll do on the interior, if you look at the wood that I have in here, it makes it burn a little bit less. It's not nearly as fast as it would be. Like if I open it up here, you'll see it really starts popping, and the wood itself, it's kind of bubbling right now. I've got some hardwoods in here. But the goal of that, to restrict the airflow, is to make the burn longer. And as you can see, the EcoFan up here is, it's doing its job. It's pushing the air all around the tent. And the purpose for doing this is to make your burn longer. So the wood that I have in here right now, both of these logs, these are hardwoods. I put this log in right here on the right. I put that in about 4 hours ago, and then this log I put in about an hour ago. And as you can see, it looks like it's burning a lot, but there's not much that's been burned out of it so far. And basically what it's doing is just burning the exterior of the log, and then it's bubbling up with some sap that's coming out of it. So there's a lot of that log left ready, or a lot of that log left for burning, which would be good throughout the evening. It's about 9 o'clock right now. And I would imagine that will burn for probably, I'd say probably another 4 or 5 hours. So I'll be stoking the stove again about 2 a.m. and then I should be able to wake up and be good to go, and then have to stoke the stove in the morning. So let's go over here and look at the temperature inside. Right now we are currently rocking roughly it's about 70 degrees in here, and outside the temperature is roughly about 37, like 36, 37 degrees, and it's supposed to get down to 20 tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and keep the stove like this. I'll probably turn the damper on a little bit more, the airflow in the front. I'll keep the damper in the back about at this 45-degree angle. And with that, what you'll do, if I were to open this all the way up, the front of this, the airflow, if I were to go like that, it would get so hot in here I'd have to open up the windows fully. But with it being restricted with the airflow and having hardwoods in there, like I said, this stuff will burn all night long. And as you can see from when I first opened up the stove until now, when I open it up like that, all that airflow went in there and really got the wood burning. So I'm going to turn this down a little bit more. But that's an example of how to work a wood stove. This stove was incredible. It really heats my tent well, and just got done eating some cookies, so I'm getting ready to crash out. But anyway, I just wanted to talk about how that, how to operate a wood stove, and the airflow restrictions in the front, and then also in the back over there, and how you can manipulate that. And that's basically like your temperature gauge and your thermometer for your interior tent. So hope you all are having a good evening. Thanks.